Mrs. Jones was a kindergarten teacher. She was not happy with her life. She used to love children, but now she couldn't stand them. Mrs. Jones thought they were too loud. "All they can do is shout or cry," she complained. "I'm too old for this now." It was time to retire. Mrs. Jones bought a house by a lake. She was going to live the quiet life she wanted. But Mrs. Jones still wasn't happy. Her new house was too quiet. She missed the children. Mrs. Jones decided to buy a rope. She hung it on a tree by the lake. Every weekend, the children went to her house. They swung into the lake. She always joined them.